Alright, I told myself I wouldn't buy any more K-pop stuff, but I like bought this before I decided not to. But then like I still bought Sunwoo's birthday stuff. I also just only bought the photo card garland and then the bracelet. Mostly because the bracelet's kind of expensive and I didn't really give a crap about anything else. I just like the bracelets. Let's open up the photo cards. I think I just cut through the bag. I fucking did. Alright, we got this strings. We love strings. This is a lot of fun. Photo cards. Read me first. We don't like reading. Let's check out these stickers. Doors. Got like this. These are like thick ass stickers. Wait, these aren't stickers. They're really thick. Like, what? Always with Engine. How cute. Alright, let's get the photo cards. These feel really, like, tall. Cute. That rugby feel with the stripes. Cake. One has a signature, one has a message, and the other three, yeah. Okay, that was the photo garland. Let's do this. The bracelet. Super excited. Oh, totally forgot there's a photo card. A little cupcake. Message. These are so cute. I just love them so much. The back just says Taurus. Then we have this little thingy. What the fuck does it say? On the back says J. What does this side say? Wisdom. Oh, there's a little crescent moon. How cute. Let me try to put it on. I don't know if it's like the right way. But it's so cute. I like the little moon. It's so cute. I love it. I don't remember what Jungwon was. Like, I literally bought his. Let me go get it and compare, I guess. Blue and pink. These are such pretty colors. I almost don't want to wear it, but like, Yeah, just put it back. Okay. Yeah, that's it.